Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. In this episode, I'm changing the rear differential fluid on a second generation Acura MDX, which you're supposed to do when the code 6 is displayed on your maintenance minder screen. I've previously released a video on proper fluids for your MDX. You can check it out here or in the description below. But I'd like to repeat once again. Acura has updated the fluids and you're supposed to use DPSF for rear differential now. Remember, there are two different fluids now for your transmission and rear differential. This is a fairly straightforward procedure that does not require lifting your car. Performing it yourself won't save you much, probably around $50 labor cost. But hey, 50 is 50. Let's roll! Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. 3 quarts or 3 liters of Acura DPSF. New crush washers for the fill and drain plugs. A small pump. A drain tub. A 1/2-inch ratchet with a 3/8-inch adapter. Medium 1/2-inch extension. Torque wrench if you want to properly torque your fasteners. A magnetic tray for sorting out bolts. A decent work light. Brake cleaner. Paper towels. As always, links to everything I used are in the description. Make sure your car is on level ground. As usual, you want to loosen the fill bolt first to make sure you can refill the fluid after draining. There's a hole in the rear subframe. You can use your 1/2-inch ratchet with an extension and a 3/8-inch adapter to loosen the bolt. Done. Now let's loosen the drain bolt. You don't need the extension for that. Got it. I'll remove the fill bolt now for faster draining. And removing the drain bolt. The fluid looks very clear and transparent, which is what you want. This is the magnetic drain bolt, by the way. I don't see any significant amount of metal shavings in it, which is awesome. Wipe it with a paper towel. Put new crush washers on both bolts. We have a little bit of extra new fluid, so let's drain some through the unit first. That's enough. Put the drain bolt back on first. Torque it to 47 Newton meters or 35 pound-feet. Time to add new fluid. There's really no way to overfill it, as the excess will always pour out of the filling hole. Use the pump to pump in the new fluid until it starts to pour out. Done. Put the fill bolt with a new crush washer back on and torque it to the same spec. Clean up using paper towels and brake cleaner. This is how you reset your maintenance minder once you hopefully performed said maintenance. Insert the key into ignition and turn it into position 2. Do not start the engine. Using the up or down arrow buttons, navigate the dashboard display to the empty screen where either temperature, mileage, percentage of oil life or service code is displayed. If you see anything but the oil life or service code there, keep pressing the Select Reset button until you see one. Once you're there, hold the Select Reset button for about 10 seconds until you're in the Reset menu. Select the Reset option. The oil life is now reset to 100%. You're done. And that's it. Now you know how to change it yourself. Remember, Acura recommends replacing the rear differential fluid more often if you are regularly driving in mountain areas at very low speeds, or if the vehicle is frequently used to tow a trailer. In that case, an interval of 24,000 kilometers or 15,000 miles is recommended. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!